So according to data, 1.3 million lives and tens of millions of dollars put in danger due to fire incidents. On an average, fire department team took 7 to 10 minutes to reach to targeted area. And in these critical scenarios, every second count. So we as a team decided to build this innovative project. Traditional firefighting system heavily required human interventions which delayed due to time constraints. We are using cutting-edge technology which includes autonomous navigation, real-time flame sensing and remote controlling, which provide a proactive method to all the fire safety issues. So let's start with the designing process.
The most challenging part in making a prototype is to decide the purpose of it. As we are making the 3D rotating or fire autonomous system, so our purpose was to make a prototype. Then after deciding the purpose of the prototype, we move on to the next step, which is making the rough sketches that meets the appearance, looks and aesthetics. After making the rough sketch of all the components, I move on to the software part, and for the software part, I choose SolidWorks to make all the 3D sketches and perform the stress analysis. From the chassis, from the wheels to the C-clamp, from the chassis to the container, I made and designed all these important components of the vehicle. And the most challenging part in making the 3D model of the prototype was to assemble all these mechanical components that meets our requirements. After the designing part of the CAD model, the next step is to perform stress analysis on the CAD model. It is only after the stress analysis that we can move on to the next step, which is manufacturing. For the stress analysis part, I first fix the base of the chassis, then applied a force of around 294 kN on the upper part of the chassis. After that, the result shows the stress analysis of von Mises stress analysis, displacement and strain.
After the complex designing of the Blaze Defender, let us now understand the electrical circuits of the Blaze Defender. The centrally mounted ESP32 is the brain of the Blaze Defender. It controls the servo motors mounted on it. It controls the Johnson motors which move the Blaze Defender. Our bot has 3 flame sensors attached to it on 0 degree, plus 60 and minus 60 degrees. These flame sensors are highly sensitive to the flame spectrum, and these are infrared sensors. They have a wavelength of 760 nanometers to 1100 nanometers and have a range of 80 centimeters. The ESP32 AI cam is a 5 megapixel camera which operates between 3.3 to 5 volt. It is both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. To power the whole system, we have 2 main battery packs. One is 3.75 volt, 2 batteries connected in parallel, and another is a 12 volt battery pack. The 12 volt battery pack powers the Johnson motors which help the rover to move ahead and behind, left and right.
Self-reliant fire extinguishing system specifically designed to navigate extinguish fires autonomously. Perfect for high-value targets like libraries, chemical storages, and server rooms. Its key features include the CO2 as well as the water-based extinguishing system on the same time. Its advanced mobility works on 4 Johnson premium motors which can help it to navigate even the advanced terrains. We have also planned for the LiDAR integration so it can map the areas well and go on its own. The planned upgrades, firstly it's the LiDAR. It also includes the waterproof and heat resistant design that would go into the production. Reusable extinguishers and easy swapping would allow for longer durations, enhanced range and rechargeable units. Its current limitations like restricted movement and CO2 capacity do exist, but we will be able to solve these challenges with proper planning.
In conclusion, Blaze Defender represents a significant leap in automated fire safety systems. Its current capabilities make it a game changer, while our planned improvement ensure it will remain at the forefront of innovation with features like autonomous functionality, dual extinguishing mechanisms, and a future-ready design with LiDAR. Blaze Defender is set to redefine fire safety. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to answering your questions about these groundbreaking systems.